Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you that how you can change the mouse pointer size and color. So for that you have to go to settings. Okay, then you will see an option called ease of access. Okay, in the left side you will see an option called mouse pointer. Okay, if you wanna change the size of the pointer, you can change it from here. So if you wanna change the color, you can change change the size of the pointer from here. As you can see that my pointer has been increased. Then if I want to decrease the size, I can do that as well. So I can increase. For that I can decrease by this. So okay, so if I want to change the color, so for that I have to click on here. So if I want to give any custom color, so I can do that as well. So as you can see, my mouse pointer size and color has been changed. So this is how you can change the mouse pointer size and color. So guys, thank you, thanks for watching.